Hey guys and dolls, it's Jason. I hope that everyone had a wonderful weekend and a great Valentine's Day on Sunday. Of course, tomorrow the markets are going to be open and we did have that day off today, so I'm going to be talking to you guys about those top 5 stocks that I'm going to be watching as soon as the market opens. So I don't want to waste any of your time in this video, so be sure to hit that like button at any point you find value and hit that big red subscribe button below so you can join this family of investors where we make money together. Guys, the first stock that I'm going to be watching up on my list is RMO, which is for Romeo Power. As you guys can see up on the screen, they actually did have a big sell-off recently. They did actually have highs of about $40, guys, and this is quite a big sell-off. This happened all because of JP Morgan's short report that came out downgrading the stock, because I believe they are trying to influence that stock down so they can push it down and they can buy those shares up nice and low. Now guys, as you can see, we are actually really overstretched and we are hitting that bottom on the RSI, which is what I like to see. We are actually down right now past the 200 on the SMA. So guys, I believe that it is just a matter of time right now until we do see that reversal. We can also see down here that we are sitting at a nice long strong line of support around that $16-17 range. So I do believe, guys, that we are about to have a big explosion to the upside. Hopefully we will push through this resistance area of the $20, and I do believe that we are going to go on to retest this area of the $24. So this is one stock that I'm going to be loading up on if I can get this anywhere below that $17 range or even that $18 range tomorrow when markets open. The second stock that I'm going to be watching tomorrow is ALPP. Now guys, you know that I love Alpine Full Technologies. If you have not seen any of my videos on ALPP, I have made quite a few. Do be sure to check them out. I will link one of them above now, one of my most recent videos on ALPP, because I do have a double-digit price target on ALPP, but we have been waiting for this sell-off. I do believe that if we can get this anywhere around that $7 or below range, I am now going to start to add to my position. I did start adding when we did have that dip below the $7 range on Friday, and I do want to continue to scoop up more shares because I believe this is going to be an absolute multi-bag in my portfolio in the coming years. I am going to be holding this for a very long term hold, and I do believe that this is going to be going much further than we believe. This stock has incredible potential, guys, and Cathie Wood is convinced that the drone sector is going to be a multi-bag sector in the coming decade. I do have an incredible video coming out, so do make sure you guys are clicking that notification on, because when I do release that video, I do believe it's going to be one of the best videos that I have ever released on this channel, and you guys do not want to miss it. It is going to be about my next 50x stock. So guys, I am in the middle of making that video, but I did want to get this video out tonight just so you guys know what I am watching for tomorrow morning. The third stock that I'm going to be talking about is Sndl. You guys know that I am an absolute huge lover of this stock. I have been buying it up ever since it was just around that $1 range. We did actually profit on this on the channel when it got to above $4.50. I did sell 75% of my stake, and I have since started to buy back in when we did have that dip all the way down here, and I got back in at 190. Now guys, I do own quite a few hundred shares of this, and I am looking forward to the potential of this run back up to the upside coming up. So this is one I'm going to be loading up on, especially if we can get this below that $2 range, and if an opportunity presents us around that $1.60 zone and we do see a further sell-off below that, then you betcha I'm going to be adding a lot more shares to my portfolio, because I believe that this stock has a lot of potential in the short term and also in the long term. So the fourth stock that I want to talk to you guys about today is actually none other than SENS for SENSEONICS Holding. Now guys, I will actually link the video above, which is my last video, and it is based all on SENSEONICS, so do be sure to check it out because it is packed with information. I did do a full breakdown and analysis on this video in my last upload, so I will be sure to link it above, so do be sure to check that out. I am going to be looking to get in on this play and capitalize on their upcoming catalyst for their new FDA approval of their 180-day patented product, which is their little chip. So guys, make sure to click on that video above if you have not already, and I did actually do a full interview with a type 1 diabetic inside this video, and if you guys have seen it already, then you guys know that I am a type 1 diabetic, which is another reason why I love this company. So this company does have a lot of importance to me and in my life, so I'm definitely going to be choosing to invest some of my money into this company moving forward. So that is a stock that I will be watching, and I'm going to be loading up, especially if I can get in below that $4 price range, and we do see a further breakdown to retest onto any of these levels here on these technicals that I'm now drawing up for you. And guys, the last stock on my list that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is ticker symbol TLRY. RY, which is for Tilray. Now again, that is in that MJ space, and this is a stock that has recently just run back down from its highs after we had a nice sell-off from a huge short squeeze. Now I do think that this company does have a lot of room to grow, and I do want to capitalize on this as much as I can, especially at these prices. Right up on the chart, you can actually see that we are touching that 50 on the SMA, and guys, I like this because we are actually at a resistance sitting at that $30 price range, so this has a lot of room to grow, and I do like the fact that this could potentially retest those highs in the near future. So this is a stock that I'm going to be loading up on, especially if we do see a further breakdown and to retest that 100 on the SMA line. So guys, if you did find any value in this video, then do be sure to give it a like. Make sure if you got this far to hit that big red subscribe button. I can't wait to have you on this journey where we make money together. Those are my 5 stocks, guys, that I'm going to be watching at market open on Tuesday, tomorrow morning. So I hope that you guys have a great week trading. Stay safe in the markets, and do let me know in the comments below what stocks you're looking to load up on this week. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.